Hi there, Chris Kane with Probate Law, and when we work with families, they usually have two primary goals. The first goal is to preserve assets, avoid nursing home poverty, avoid having to spend down your assets on long-term care costs. And the second goal a lot of families have is to simplify the estate settlement process after they pass away so that there's not a lot of costs and delays involved in transferring assets out of the estate and into the names of their heirs. Now, luckily, we can accomplish both of these goals using a very similar structure and strategy. We can structure your affairs so that you stay in control of your assets for the rest of your life. You still get all the income off those assets. And the assets won't count against you for purposes of qualifying for aid to pay for your long-term care costs. Then once you pass away, because your assets are not titled in your name, they're typically titled in the name of a trust, because you've set things up the right way, your family won't have to go through a court-supervised probate process. And if you're married, your family can avoid going through two court-supervised probate processes, one for husband, one for the wife. This just lowers the cost, lowers the delay, the amount of time. Really, once you pass away, you're going to have somebody named to step in and take immediate control of the assets, and they'll be able to consolidate and distribute those assets immediately without needing to hire an attorney, without filing anything at court. So they avoid that whole court probate process. So again, planning for nursing home poverty, if done right, it can accomplish that secondary goal of avoiding the drawn out and expensive court probate process. If you're interested in learning more about how you can structure your legal affairs to first, avoid nursing home poverty, and secondly, avoid having your family go through the probate process, just give us a call, 866-491-3884, and we'll be able to help you and your family get things structured the right way.